The Amore Queen of Hearts Petunia is a semi-trailing, more compact annual that's perfect for flower beds, containers, or hanging baskets with its mature height of 1 foot and a spread of 1.5 feet. It showcases a delightful floral display of cheery yellow flowers adorned with pink hearts and blooms continuously throughout the gardening season. What's more, the Queen of Hearts is a hit with butterflies and hummingbirds, and you can pair this petunia beautifully with Gaura, Salvia, Lobelia, Snapdragon, and Coleus. How do you make sure your Amore Queen of Hearts petunia thrives? Here are 3 easy-to-follow growing tips for you. Tip 1. Choose a spot where your petunia will receive full sun, which is 6 or more hours of sunlight each day. The Queen of Hearts loves sunshine. Tip 2. Maintain a regular watering and fertilizing schedule. Petunias prefer soil that's consistently moist but not waterlogged, and an application of a balanced fertilizer weekly will keep your plant growing strong. And tip 3. Deadhead and trim long, stringy stems back weekly to encourage new blooms and maintain a neat appearance. We hope these tips help you grow a healthy and vibrant Amore Queen of Hearts petunia. Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips, and happy gardening.